Hello guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and fly this Mavic 3, flying the latest DJI drones of 2021, and I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys my experience
Whew,
flying
a
this thing
bird.
with raw
Look at this
footage.
bird. There you go. Look at that. Wow, Kai, look at the Mavic 3. So beautiful. Look at this. Look at this guy. Wow. You can see here, taking videos. All right. Just testing it out. Right now it's kind of windy, kind of breezy. Just to see what's this all about here. And go from here. This is my first flight. You know what? Right now I'm probably gonna go ahead and put it to slow mode, cine mode. You can see here I don't even have any of how you call this yet. Doesn't make sense. Quick shots. You know, most likely you want to go and try the quick shots before doing anything. So just gonna do a quick flight here. Wow, very quiet. I would say, you know, it's really hard to compare this to like a Mavic Air 2, the quietness, or the Mavic Pro 2. But you can see here how this guy in the breeze, and just going in here, just trying it out, testing it out. Testing it out, the obstacle avoidance. See if there's any good. Uh-oh, it does. All right. Just trying it out here, and just to see how the obstacle avoidance in this thing works. Pretty cool. And just go in here. Top obstacle avoidance is on. So like I said, if you're not even too sure yet, just put it in slow mode. And then once you get better at it, you know, so it's supposed to do this without no problem. And here you go, I made it up there. It's really smooth flyer, very smooth flyer. So just go up here on the breeze. I'm just so used to flying the Mavic Mini 2 that even this like Mavic 3, I feel like it's so big now, you know, like. And here you go how and let's go ahead and see the, hold on, oh, I can't zoom in, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop it here, and then I'm gonna go to 4K. Let's do a 4K 30. Here you go. All right, and then we go ahead. Okay, I don't know why it says that. Okay, there you go. Testing it out. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and zoom in. Look at this. This is awesome, man. You can actually back up more the drone. And even though you're zooming in, you still have the stabilization. Wow. So here you go. Just a quick flight. Just riding around in slow mode. Just testing out. And let's go. I know, I mean, I have the ND filters here, but I'm just testing out the smoothness of this Mavic 3. It's really smooth. Alright, let's go ahead and put in normal
So my
mode.
experience flying the normal mode right now, you guys can
Go a little
see,
bit
it's pretty
quicker.
good. I mean, it has that smooth fly experience. I mean, just tapping the joystick, from your fingertips, it feels good, just if you're going forward, it still gives you that smoothness, even though I'm not in a slow mode. But anyway, I'm just gonna go and show you guys up here, and I like to test my drone in this area. It just gives you more variety of looks, coloring, and all that kind of stuff too. And right now, it's around November. It's in the winter months in Florida, and you can see it's over forecast. And the Indie filter will do good on this. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and fly it over here, and I'm gonna be showing you guys this area that I'm at. And I'm actually around what I would say 383 feet. And look at the way this thing zoom in. Look at that. I'm actually zooming in at 14x already. I mean, I'm 28. You can see that log, guys. Look at that. And from here, you don't even see it. See, that's how good the camera is. I mean, it's awesome that they add this feature in this Mavic 3 with dual camera. Just imagine the Mavic 4 or the Mavic 5. They're probably going to have a thermal, or they're probably going to have infrared camera built in. So you're basically going to have 4 cameras, man. So it's good, man. You can actually do everything with this drone now, Not only doing aerial photography, or not only just, you just want to fly and observe things or anything like that, but you can also probably fly this at night, zooming in, zooming out, using infrareds. I mean, this is awesome, I think because I guess DJI has the high-end commercial drones that they're using. They're adding this feature to this Mavic 3, so that's awesome. And I'm just gonna go ahead and fly it around here, and also where I'm at, I would say I'm like in Bay Meadows Park, and now I'm zooming in, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys in Jack's Beach. So it's crazy how this thing can zoom in all the way out there also. And I'm gonna show it to you guys. So right now I'm just flying it around. This thing's a smooth flyer bird, I would just say. It's something about the Mavic's drone. It's just so smooth from the sky. Like, you have no worries when it's up there. You just like take advantage of the cameras. I mean, that's what they have, really. And you can see here I'm zooming in. I'm actually gonna be 14x, all the way down to 28. I mean, look at that. That's like nothing. I mean, it's crazy. And I'm just showing you guys here the pictures that I actually took. And look at that. Wow. That is crazy. And you can actually see the 7x. Oh wow, you can actually see the buildings more now from way out there. And
Fly
once I put it to
cautiously.
14x, you can actually see more. I mean, it's awesome. I think it's good enough for me, especially
Fly
just
cautiously.
flying around and just
Fly
observing things. It's
cautiously.
just what this camera can do. And also, guys, you guys can go ahead and see this right here. It has that warning, and I like that. Now on, all the way to 2022,
Fly
all drones should
cautiously.
have this sensing for the aircraft. I mean, from Hotel to Skydio to any other brand out there, it doesn't matter if it's a knockoff or a cheap version, they should have this air sense on the drone itself. You guys can go ahead and see, guys, the plane that actually passing me. It can show the how far he's up there. I mean, it's just giving you more noticeable where the aircraft is at, and it's awesome. And look at that, it
Fly
just shows
cautiously.
everything.
Fly
And you can
cautiously.
see the plane is passing by, and
Fly
you can see
cautiously.
how high up
Fly
there he is,
cautiously.
or something like that.
Fly
And
cautiously.
like I said, it's a good
Fly
investment for all of
cautiously.
us. You don't
Fly
want to get your drone
cautiously.
get hit out there by plane or anything like that. I mean,
Fly cautious.
you just want to
Fly
take video and
cautiously.
pictures and all that kind of stuff, and that's about it. And why would you, And I like it because it actually control your drone. And you can see here, I'm actually zooming in to my son here, and I'm just trying to capture what is he grabbing or what is he touching. And of course, I can't really see anything. It looks like he's pointing at something, but if he pick up something, I probably would know what he's picking it up of. And also, you can go ahead and see here, zooming into my Segway ride, and you can see here, I mean, you can't really see the the lettering of the brand of the Segway, but hey, that's good enough. And but when you guys see over here, actually you can see my shadow from way out there, and that's directly sunlight too, guys. Yeah, so it's
Let's go ahead and
awesome.
put this
I
in
would say,
sport
the
mode.
camera is like, wow.
You know what? Let's go
But
ahead
anyway,
and
I'm
see
just
how
gonna
the
go ahead and show
obstacle
you what I'm
avoidance
gonna do
thing.
next.
Wow, they're actually trying to go around me. That's awesome. Look at this. Woo! This is like passing me. Wow. I like the obstacle avoidance on this thing. See? He goes around me. Okay, I like that. Go back this way. Again, I'm gonna do a little quick practice because it's really interesting, man. And I just can't wait for the firmware update on this. Hopefully the active track is gonna be decent. So you can see here, he actually slowed down already. So back in the days, it just goes stop right here, but this one's actually trying to pass you. See? Wow, I like that. All right, let's go ahead and put in sport mode. Let's go ahead and see this thing still pass me. Woo! It's quiet. It's a quiet bird. Not bad. Wow. I'm playing with it. What a bird. Look at this thing. Whoa! Wow, guys, this thing is quiet. You can get away with this thing. Like, people don't even know if you're in the sky. All right, I got a little battery. Nope, not going home. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and exit the return to home. Wow. And I'm just gonna go backwards with it. Whoa, it's far. Would be great, DJI, if you come up with the active track already. Woo! There you go. From the rear. Look at this. Yeah. Whoa. I'm gonna put a slow mode. Yeah. And then go this way. There you go. See? Still catching up. Still slow. It's low battery. Whoa! Alright. Just putting in the limit. Interesting.
So if you have any other question, just write it in the comments below, and that's about it. So thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.